I don't think love is always a good thing. I don't know if I want to be with anyone. Sometimes it doesn't feel like a good idea. I love Ginny. She's the only thing that makes me happy. That's the problem. No one person should be responsible for your happiness. That's not fair.
Just tell me.
Tell you what?
Tell me that you don't want to be with me.
I don't want to hold you back.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't pretend like you're doing this for me because I don't want this. I don't want this. I want you.
It's not you. It's me. I'm sorry.
Okay, this isn't you. This isn't you. Just you wouldn't do this to me, right? Because I'm your Ginny and you're my Marcus, and so you wouldn't hurt me like this, right?
It's me. I promise.
You know what? I hate promises because anyone who has ever made a promise to me has broken it because they're liars. You're supposed to be the one who doesn't lie to me. Do you even care that you're hurting me?
I don't have room for anyone else's pain right now.
On the window pane, each pattern has your name. Lost in my headphones again. Alright. Morning routes in half-empty seats. My reflection blurs as we speed along, drawing lines between the drops of rain, like connect the dots of everything wrong. Been 2 months, or maybe more. Every stoplight bleeds into rain. My phone stays dark, but I'm okay. I'm okay. Counting raindrops, counting days since I learned to look away. Time moves like water down this glass. Some things weren't meant to last. Familiar streets look different now. Through this watercolor window view, someone's umbrella turns inside out, and I almost reached a message you, but I let the moment pass. Counting raindrops, counting days since I learned to look away. Time moves like water down this glass. Some things weren't meant to last. The engine hums beneath my feet.